Technology deployment. To answer it, the technology deployment, which is the methodical procedure of introducing an activity, one process, program, or system developed from the application of scientific knowledge in all applicable areas of innovation and business, which is introduce the three steps in develop application of scientific knowledge. So the next slide, I will tell about the background of the companies that we cite visit. The background of Great Innotex Limited, which was founded by Everest Group, and this company serves as IT provider, media, food, medical equipment and material, and etc. And also work closely with Everest and East Limited to focus with market trends and demands from the sustainable renewable energy system and energy saving product. So we will explain about sustainable energy and energy saving later. And next is experience of more than 20 years in the engineering and construction industry. So this company is a pioneer of this technology system, which is the solar system specific to the type of GCPV. So for the next, it provides great connector of grid system, the solar, grid of the solar, and solar street light and solar power system component. Solar panel includes solar panel, inverter, solar controller, and battery, which is the equipment of the solar. And committed to achieve the mission. The mission was to create an overall grid and grid solution for the business partner and principal. And I will explain later. And implementing grid technology to sustain the reduction of carbon emission for greener future, which is the awareness to the green technology. So next. So the business philosophy, as I said before, encouraging the usage of the green technology. And first, and second, they support the economic transformation program by national government to use solar power as alternative energy, which is the SADA. And later, we will explain. National Parliament passed legislation to create a system of bid interim, which is a system that allows solar system home owners to sell back generated electricity to TNB higher rate and tariff. It is the customer. When they install the solar panel, they will sell back the power to the TNB. TNB is the company of the government. And an approved company by SEDA Malaysia to install solar system. They need to approve with the SEDA and to have a license to install the solar system into their house. Next. So this is the step for installing. The first step is involved with Innotex submitting all the necessary documents to SEDA and TNB and applying for their customers. So they will applying for their behalf and they will do for their customer, which is the paid-in approval holder. The license is fire license. And after receiving the license, the solar system is installed on their roof. And the power generator will be sold directly to TNB for the next 21 years. This is because the TNB will be monitor the activity of the power, which is they don't want to make the power to sell to another party. And next slide, please. And the objective is to describe and explain green energy. Objectives to describe and explain green energy standard, which is we have technology deployment model, technology deployment process, technology deployment result, which is each technology deployment have a 3 questions. So for the next slide, for question number 1, what is the technology deployment framework being utilized at Green Innotex Limited? So the answer is this framework. This framework, which is we have 5 steps, starting with the apply research, the technology, renewable solar energy, and then continue with grid connected photovoltaics, GCPV, which is the type of the solar system that we use. And then the technological development, introduction production of solar technologies in 1980s. So they are pioneer, firstly installed by TNB, and then they will continue. The CPV system, simple, basic, but very expensive. They are very expensive, but after we use a couple years, they will be cut the cost. And then technological deployment. During the Innotech 1994, the CPV system became distributor. As I said before, more cost effective energy efficient, and the fire system to apply. And this company was the pioneer sectors on investment tax allowance. And the proposal from the SEDA and the TNB, they will certainly necessary equipment to SEDA and TNB, and SEDA, which is the distribution license, TNB, which is the installation license. And for the customer service, which is the Green Innotech DCPV system, relate to the MOT consultation. And system design for installation, maintenance system testing, and provision against the customer service. They provide consultation and maintenance. So for next, so question number 2 is, what are the types of technology being deployed at Green Innotech 1995? And we will be focusing on developing and deploying renewable solar technology to cope with market trends and demands for the sustainable renewable energy system and energy product. So the focus was on the renewable solar technology, which is the sustainable renewable energy system, and of course the product. Why using a solar technology? Because the usage of solar power as a renewable energy due to its independence from fossil fuel, zero carbon emission, and ample supply of natural sunlight emission. So next, this is the data we get from the emission of the sunlight in Malaysia, which is they are good for using solar energy due to the theoretical aspect. And the average was good, and the highest at Kota Kinabalu. And then so this is the type that is it in this technology solar, which is a photovoltaic PV technology where rays of cell which is contain solar photovoltaic material, solar panel convert the solar radiation into direct current electricity, which is basic for the solar system. So for the next question, so this the next question we will pass to Mr. Haikal and follow up to the technology deployment process.
I will continue with the question number 3. What are the activity of the Innotech deployment model? Okay, first of all, they are focusing on deploying and distributing a renewable energy efficient system that is a grid connected photovoltaic system, DCPV system, that produce electricity outside, directly from sun, without concern from any fuel or environmental impact. Okay, as I said earlier, they're focusing on developing solar technology deployment. They apply their expertise and knowledge in terms of PV installation projects to address any challenge, efficiency, or market barriers that concerning PV installation. In short, they not only provide the product, they also provide the service to make the product applicable to their customers. As a result, they are able to provide a faster and easier and most importantly less expensive solar installations for their customers. Okay, their technical experts also work with various policy makers, program administrators, regulators, utilities transmission organizations, technology developers, financial organizations, and insurance companies to help break down barriers to solar technologies deployment. As I said earlier, as my friend said earlier, Green Innotech will submit all the necessary document, verification document to the Sustainable Energy Development Authority, SEDA. They are focusing on monitoring the development of sustainable energy emission. And Tenaga Nasional Berhad, one of the electrical giants in Malaysia, in applying the users free approval holder PR license. Okay. After the license is received, they can be installed instantly on the user working room, and power generator can be sold to the MV. Okay, in simple, their services encompasses consultation, system design, home-to-home installation, maintenance, and system testing and commissioning for this PV system. Okay, now we will proceed to the next section. That is the process. First, what are the deployment strategies being utilized at Depeloyment Experiment? There are two strategies that being used, elements that we utilize. That is, firstly, the strategic launch timing. They launch their system in season where the market is most anxious for the features and benefits offered. You can see that increasing environmental awareness among Malaysian consumers, and of course the global issues of depleting conventional energy sources such as crude oil, natural gas, coal, and so on. Then their styling also are accompanied by a favorable policy mechanism, that is a feed system. Feed system is a feed-in tariff system which is established to allow for a more cost-effective installation of renewable energy technologies. And a pioneer status and or investment tax allowance. This is a benefit that the company can get when they install their solar panel at their rooftop. Okay, then we come to the price. Okay, for now, Green Inotech is adopting a price estimate strategy. A strategy which marketers set a high price for a product or service at first, and then the price will be lower over time. Okay, this strategy, pricing strategy works even the product are facing elastic demand. As we know, solar panels have many competition. They have many identical substitutes such as biomass, hydraulics, winds, and so on. Because this pricing strategy works because of the feed system itself. The system itself, because we allow the eligible renewable electricity generated, selling back to the generator that they produce to the TNB. Yeah, it means that they sold back the electricity produced from the renewable technologies to TNB at a higher tariff rate. And financial banking system. In 2001, it's marked a turning point for the renewable technology applications, because now the local banks are providing loan for the user to install a solar panel, and allow users to pay for the solar PV installation via installments, which make it cheaper. So there are no burden in terms of cost. Next, we will see the influencing factors of the deployment of GCPV system in Malaysia. Mainly there are three factors. Firstly is the political factors, economic factors, and environmental factors. Firstly, the political factors. On the 28th April 2001, National Parliament passed a legislation to create feed-in tariff feed system. They passed a legislation to create a feed system. This system requires the energy providers such as TNB and supply electricity to purchase power from feed-in holders. That is customer that using the okay, at the rate that system is a part of a larger development initiative set forth by the Malaysian government to save energy. Okay, then the economic factors. As I said earlier, the pioneer status and investment tax allowance is based on the level of value added and technology used and industrial linkages. Company locally incorporated under the Company Act certified with solar system installed are qualified to apply for pioneer status or investment tax allowance. Yeah. They can enjoy a tax payment of tax income. They do not have to pay, and they have entitled to allowance of their expenditure. Another factor, okay, this is because of the emerging driver of Malaysian government identified the green technology as an emerging driver for sustainable economic growth, and it's go along with the Malaysian Prime Minister pledge to reduce the country's carbon emissions up to 40% by the year 2020. Okay. Now we will see the result. Okay, what is the benefit of the GCPV deployment to the company, consumer, and country as a whole? For investment tax allowance of finance status with income, as I said earlier, they have income tax exemptions. More power output can be generated as due to the existence of abundance of consistent sunlight in Malaysia. Solar energy is a sustainable energy, environmentally friendly. hardly need any maintenance once it has been installed. And of course, as I said earlier, the implementation of the system. Okay, what is the current status? In the development of this PV system application in Malaysia, there are two bodies that monitor all these activities. Firstly is the Malaysian Building Integrated Photovoltaic Projects and the Photovoltaic System Monitoring Center. Okay. In terms of PV site installation monitored by the PVSMC, the total PV capacity of this PV system under the project installed is around 1050 kilowatt until the 31 December 2013. Selangor recorded the highest total powers of PV capacity, while Negeri Sembilan has the lowest PV capacity powers. In general, the PV application was divided into 4 types of building, which is commercial, school, residential, house, and industrial building type. The majority of this PV application comes from public residential, was 62 sites with a total PV capacity of the minor PV application is at this company in Penang for industrial. This one can see the Malaysian status application in current application with compared to selected countries. Conclusion: R&D on solar technology need to be enhanced to overcome the barrier to enhance or penetrate the PV market in the country. Educational program should be introduced in the primary and secondary school level concerning the awareness of environmental awareness. And mass media should play their roles as have a special segment on solar technology to promote renewable technology in Malaysia. And lastly, the government policy should be supportive as we see earlier, the free system and so on.
Okay, so any questions from the floor? Okay, can you go back to your definition of deployment? So here, deployment, is it same like the definition we gave you during class?
No definition in this slide.
Is there no definition, sure?
I'm not sure, but I think
different. Alright. This is procedure of introducing an activity, process, program.
Yeah, a procedure in.
Okay. So this company that are doing deployment, who are their customers?
Well, the customer mainly, for now, their customer is like government related company and government related industry, and some of them are the resident in Selangor, in KL, in the center. Residential.
Okay. So when they install the product from this company, they generate the power, right?
Yes.
And they sell this power to TSB.
Yes. Their customer is
the customer sell the power to TNB, including the residency. So
yes.
I have a house. I install the board, and then
you can sell you can get money.
I can get money.
Yes.
I'm not generating the power to use by myself. I sell the power to TNB.
At the same time, you generate power electricity, and at the same time, you can sell the electricity.
I can sell.
Yes.
Is it automatically sold to TNB?
You have to go to this company because this is only the certified company to install, but they have approval from the SEDA and TNB to do so.
Okay, so once I use their products, I am selling the power
Yes,
to
for the
TNB.
next 31 years. So you are generating incomes at the same time. So to make it more relevant to the, because initially this system, solar system was not so popular because it's expensive to install at first. But with this kind of system policy, it make it more effective for customer to use it, to adopt it. In other words, to accelerate the rate of adoptions.
Okay. So is this the only company?
No.
No.
They are not the
other
only company, but they are of course the local company. The others are such as a German company, Phoenix Group. They are from outside company.
Okay, so if I buy products from that company, I can also sell the electricity to DNB.
I don't know because only this company can sell it.
Only this company. So it's better I buy products from this company.
Yes, because
I can generate money.
Because they want to promote the local companies.
Okay, to promote this technology.
Yes.
Okay, so what activities are they do? Do they do? What activities? They are doing research.
They are not doing research, but they are taking the research and such as they work with Chinese manufacturers, giant manufacturers. I'm not sure what is their company, but they are a major solar company in China, and they take their product and they sell the product.
They sell.
They also have their services included system maintenance, system design. So they because it's not easy to design a solar panel because it's not just like that. They have to look whether it's suitable or not to or to utilize it to the maximum so that sunlight can be received. So they are also making a system testing, test the product, commissioning.
Okay. So can you go to the model? I want to see the model. Yeah, this one.
This one.
Yeah. Applied research. So they are doing applied research.
This applied research, this framework is for the DCBB system.
It's for the system.
For the system itself.
Okay. For example, applied research. What do you mean applied research here?
The initial use of green technology that have been popular in the 80s. They are focused. They are not concerning the that, but they are looking on how to develop the most effective system. Because you can see the technological development. This is the introduction of solar technologies in Malaysia in the 1980s. They are firstly installed by DNB. But at the time, the system is simple, basic, but they are very expensive. So after that, Green Tech comes. They come and they introduce a more cost-effective and energy efficient method in applying this system through the support of this fixed system, the government policy, and the status that our government give to company that install this system, pioneer system, pioneer status, and so on. And then they before they can install, they have to
submit the documents, get
yes.
approval.
And then
the customers they install.
They can proceed to the service.
Okay, so is this a model? Oh, this is history.
This is
Because you
I
put,
think this is the model of the GCPV deployment.
okay. This is like evolution of GCPV system from the research stage until come to Malaysia, and then how it is upgraded to.
But they say that we go to this active. Firstly, we ask them what is their model. They based on this.
They based on this.
They based on their development of the GCPV system. But they want to follow the track.
So if you have applied research here, technology development, it's all like technology innovation. Right.
But they are not, but this company is not doing any
Yeah, because that part, the first two stages is all for the company, right?
Yes.
So this is like the whole innovation of the system.
Not necessarily because this is involve
Deployment.
deployment.
Okay, so let's try for innovation, the rest part for deployment. So here, if you say this is a deployment model, I think for me it's not so exact. It's not so exact. Maybe the last three, how they deploy, right? They get this system from there, and how they modify it, how they do it.
But I don't want to jump to the deployments because we have no idea what happened in the previous stage. So I want to make it more details and more specific for the process of the process.
Okay, so the next one is the process. Is the process different? Or the process, you talk about the impressive factors. Yes. You talk about impressive factors. So what is the process? What is the process?
The process is the strategies that we deploy.
Just the strategies, the pricing.
The strategy that they utilize in their deployment model. The strategy.
This one is process.
Yes. And the previous question is the factor affecting the process.
So this is the factor or this is the process?
This is the first the strategy.
This is the strategy.
The strategy
Strategy is process. Okay. Actually, the model shows the flow, right? So that's the flow is the process. Okay. Alright. The last one is about results. So the result is the results of the deployment. Okay. So it's good for environment. It's more efficiency in power generation. Okay, if you check the definition of deployment, yeah,